Hi YouTube, this is Chelsea. This is my night routine. I don't do this often, but today, look at this cute little thing. This is my dog Tink. I gave her a little bath and I just brushed her. And now I'm going to show you what she looks like with the bath. I gave her a bath. This is what she looks like. This is my little puppy. She just had a bath with me. And now she's trying to get warm. I just gave my baby a bath with me and it is so cute. Look at this cute little thing, you guys. If you guys like this dog, give me a like. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this and more puppy videos, huh? Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, she's talking to me. But in a baby form. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. She just had a bath with me. She's talking to me. I don't. Yeah. We just had a bath together and it was so cute. And right now I'm keeping her warm. I just brushed her out. And I set a little bed right next to my bed over there by the little pillow. And she sleeps right there. So I just gave her a little bath with me. Huh? And she loved it, huh? Yeah. Yes. She was really good. And brave. If you guys like this little puppy, thumbs up if you love it. Subscribe to my channel. And hit that bell icon to see when I'm posting another video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and comment below if you guys like dogs or cats. I'm a dog lover. Comment below, are you a dog lover or a cat lover? Thank you for watching this video. Like it, love it, comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and see when I'm posting another video. If you want to see more videos of me and my puppies, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Love it. Thank you for watching this video, you guys. I'll see you on the next. I gotta keep my baby warm, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay in love. I'm saying bye for now. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Subscribe to my channel and like it and love it.